Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can get Pitcoins in F124. The first thing that I want to show you is the Podium Pass, as this is where we can get most of the Pitcoins. So let's open the player hub by pressing the button that we can see in the top right corner. So for instance on Xbox it is the view button, and then we need to go to the Podium Pass. Now over here we should be able to scroll through different levels, and for instance by reaching level 15 you can get 1500 Bitcoins, and also for level 17 we will get 500 Bitcoins. I assume that the level 15 is for VIP Podium Pass. I have the VIP Podium Pass, so I have access to all of these levels, and I assume that the level 15 is for VIP as it has this gold outline, and level 17 seems to be for free. So if you manage to get level 17, then you should get 500 Bitcoins, and of course you can purchase the VIP pass as well in order to get more Bitcoins. If you scroll through the Podium Pass you will find even more of these Bitcoins, and of course depending on the season you might get different rewards and different amount of Bitcoins. And this time we have season 1 and there is 55 days left till the end of this season, so we have less than 2 hours, not 2 hours, less than 2 months to go through all of these levels and reach all of them. And this is one of the ways to get the Podium Pass. Now of course this some of the levels, as I said, are for free, so we can get some Bitcoins for free. However, we can also go to the store. If you really want to get Bitcoins quickly, then of course you can spend your real money by purchasing these packs. So if you switch to DLC and Bitcoin, then over here you will find how much Bitcoins you can get for a specific amount of money. So here you can purchase them as well for, like I said, real cash. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.